Oh, really? Really? Did you... Oh, low battery too? Oh, you can use that one.
Oh, me versus Julian.
Okay. Don't, Jade. Be careful. She's learning still, so don't. We don't want. Your team. Your team. Who's your team? Jilana, who's your team?
Julie, that's trying to get football skills, but that's suck. Solana, you can't do that.
Really touchdown? I-charge mo man sa kabila yung sa isang yung black. Oh, be careful. Be careful, Skylar.
Whoa. Jade, you're gonna get carried away.
Andun sa kabila yung charge. 5 days yon. Yung babysitting niya, di ba? 5 days ba yon? Ilang araw?
20 isang araw.
Ah, okay. 20. Oh, okay. 5 days.
20 a day. So you got 100. 5 days. Come on. Bakit? Babysitting ba?
Oo. Mga utak na yung maliit eh. Babysitting din siyang nalalaman. Kaya nga ano eh. Sulit. Kaya nga sulit yung pera. Hey, no physical. No. No, does not matter. No physical. Alin? May bukol na. Kapailot mo kay mother ah. Di mo pailot kay mother. Gumaling na nga yung kamay ko rin eh. Ha? Ubus na ba? Yeah, practice that one, Skylar. You can practice straight. Andun na. You can practice and then turn around. Then. Oh, bro, really? So, yeah. Eh, tuwa-tuwa pa. No, Daddy said no. Hey, no. Hey, ang kulit. Daddy said no, Jade. Grabe. Jade, did you say sorry?
Who did that? I'm sorry. For hitting you in the head with the ball.
Purposely?
Not purposely. Get the goal! Get the goal! No, I didn't do this. I didn't want to purpose. Because ito nagbibigay ka, mas maraming views.
Correct. Oo.
It was an accident and no editing.
Right, Jilana? Yes.
Because also don't have the bruise thing.
Smile. Okay, no. Talikod naman, smile.
Hihintay. Ano kaya yun?
Smile. Jilana, smile. Jilana. Smile. Jilana, smile. Jade, sobra naman to. Jade. Jilana, smile.
Give me your hand. It's crunchy. We won the game.